Now in the class of physical education for class 11th, unit 6, physical activity and leadership training. In this chapter today we will focus on the objectives of adventure sports. On the behalf of these points, we will see what are the values of the adventure sports in the life of any individual or in any person. Number one, minimize pollution. Through the adventure sports, we have to try to reduce or minimize the pollution through these type of the sports. Second one, protect of wildlife. Through the adventure sports, we have to go in the nature's environment and where we have to see or where we have to aware regarding the wildlife or regarding the different or various type of the animals or creatures, how we have to protect them, it also we have to be learn. Third one, use of natural resources. When we have to go for the adventure sports in the nature's environment, so where we have to see and where we have to learn how to use the natural resources over there. Next one, understanding nature. Through the adventure sports, we have to be able to understand the nature's environment or understanding the nature. How we have to be useful the nature for us and how we have to protect the nature for our benefits. So this is the very important point. Next one is the healthy activity. Through the adventure sports, we have to be perform healthy activity without any pollution, without any type of the other problems. We have to be perform the healthy activity under the natural or under the nature condition or environment. Next one is the information about area. Through the adventure sports, when we have to go to perform any type of the adventure sports, then we have to go in that particular area, and for that we have to take knowledge at first about the area. So through that we have to learn or we have to get the information about the particular area for the adventure sports, where there is a adventure sports is suitable or not. Next one, develop physical fitness. Through this adventure sports, we have to develop the physical fitness or physical wellness of an individual also. Next one, gives thrill and the recreation. Through the adventure sports, because it is a thrill, risky and full of recreation also, then that's why we have to be enjoy the recreativity and thrill also through that sports. Next one, develop the creativity. Through the adventure sports, we have to be learn the creativity in the life of an individual. Next one, organizational skills. How we have to organize the different type of or various type of the adventure sports. These type of the conducting or organizational skills we have to be learn. Next one is the considering safety tools. Through the adventure sports, which type of the safety tools are very important for the various or different type of the adventure sports. For that we have to be learn and we have to be consider the safety tools also. Next one is the knowledge about forest resources. We have to know regarding the forest resources knowledge on the behalf of the adventure sports. So these are the some important points or objectives. We can say we have to know the value of the adventure sports through these type of the objectives. Thank you.